Beer Bunny here with more comedy and more frolic. You know, it's not easy doing these one-nighters at a different commode every night. But I must say I play the biggest bowls in the country. So how do I go from place to place? Very simple. I use Rabbit Transit. Okay, so who's gonna be our next president? Well, I decided to toss my hat into the bathtub ring. If the government is going to the dogs, why not a rabbit instead? So, I just want to say, my fellow Americans, if I'm electrocuted, I'll be eliminated. Wait a minute, that's not it. Let's talk about my position in gun control. Hopefully upright. I believe that every American should own a caulking gun. But you better have training in how to use it, because I don't put up with unauthorized seals. And if I catch any unauthorized seal, I'll take away his horn. It's things like this that make me want to run for president. For that matter, run for the restroom. I promised my constituents 2 garages for every car, a pot in every chicken. And what does my opponent say to that? But I will say this about my opponent. I may not agree with everything he says, but I will fight to the death his right to make a fool out of himself. Whoops, somebody's coming, gotta go. But I just want to say, if I don't make it out of here in time, jiggle the handle.